Paduka Baginda yang di-Pertuan Agong setelah diperkenankan oleh duli-duli yang maha mulia raja-raja, maka adalah dengan ini saya mengisytiharkan bahawa tarikh permulaan puasa bagi negeri-negeri seluruh Malaysia ialah pada hari Selasa 12 hari bulan Mac 2024.
Hey guys, so it's the first day of Ramadan. So right now it is 4:21 AM because I woke up quite early. Malas. So it is the first day of puasa. Today is the first Ramadan. I tak boleh cakap sekarang ni. So you guys, I'm waiting for subuh right now. I have a last minute plan. I'm literally planning a video like 5 AM. But yeah, I'm just gonna plan while waiting for subuh. Inilah yang terjadi kalau saya last minute planning. Oh, macam nak plan? So it is the first day of Ramadan, first day of puasa, and I almost drank just now. First day of Ramadan, I'm not really sure how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna make this Ramadan the best Ramadan. Man, I don't know, but like I've been feeling super anxious also nowadays. There's some things that cause my anxiety. I try to not let it control me. I don't think I'm gonna use the makeup today. Ya Allah, ni sakit tau, ni dengan ni sakit. It hurts so bad. Sebab apa? I wear too much makeup. But I think I'm gonna go and bake. I'm gonna make strawberry chocolate. I'm gonna make strawberry chocolate. I want to, and I love baking and cooking nowadays. It's just like I've been filling my time with like cooking, baking, and just like literally spending the time alone. Like it's so fun. I wanna help mama. To cook for buka. Ooh, it's smaller than I thought it was. Small. I bought this hair tonic because my hair easily grow so much, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but let's see. Dia macam tiber gila. Dia macam tiber tau, but like I don't know, it's just like my trust issues right now is like literally like that. Like I don't know why, but I suddenly just like super exhausted. You know, this Ramadan I try to be patient as I can and diam je. Kalau orang buat kalau orang ni pun, I try to just shut up and just like I'm not gonna do anything and I'm just gonna let God. But I'm malas and I don't have the energy to do that, so it just sucks. You know, when you have so much love to give, but then they sort of take it for granted. So it gets exhausting. And when they ask, seriously, you're just gonna give up? Yeah, I'm not really a give up person. It's not easy for me to give up, but once I give up to do that, I am done, guys. I am done, full stop.
You cook? Nanti pakai bukan labu.
Wow, bestnya. Boleh lah buat studio. Timbang ni, like how to weigh it out. Ada lah, ada. So I bought avocados, 2 avocados. I bought strawberries and chocolate. So I'm going to do the strawberry chocolate. And I tak tahu di colour okay ke tak. Let's go try it. Right now, I'm gonna help Mama to cook buka. Oh ni apa? Fish ah? Got salad. Okay, so this is what we're having. We're having murtabak, we're having nasi goreng, and we're also having this like kueh and salad. Ooh! Oh my god, I cannot wait. So gilers. See, I'm so excited. What I'm eating. Panas pun.
Ayun tidur lagi?
Tak. Buat assignment.
وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر الله.
Kita nak baiki kesalahan kita. Kita nak jadi baca kita nak jadi baca kita ni lebih baik. Gitu.
Y'all, guess what I bought? I bought this freaking humongous mineral water drink spritzer to get clear skin. Apa lah aku beli sebesar lang weh. It's okay, I can keep this as like a monthly stock. So I made strawberry chocolate. Oh, it's so good. I should do that TikTok. You know, that ding 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 ding. Okay, tutup jam 60 tu mana? Saya
Okay.
Right now I'm gonna do my assignment. Quite a lot of assignment to do, so I'm gonna do that in my pajamas. I'm gonna do it. I have like a report to do. Kenapa I bunyi macam tu? I'm gonna put guys right here. Okay. You guys, do you ever just like randomly cry because of like for no reason? Is it because I'm stressed, or is it because I don't know, or is it because like I'm too tired? I don't tahu kenapa I nangis. I just not nangis.
Why are you crying?
I always get this like random breakdown. So guys, it's just exhausting. But when I look back at my old me, I rasa macam I miss the old me. I don't know, I'm just super energetic dulu. I feel so energetic dulu, but now my energy is just like I like living alone, I like being alone, and I just don't feel like talking. And I always want to portray the best me. I gelak depan orang, tapi when I go back, I just kind of like,
what the fuck am I doing right now in my life?
alright guys, so buka was so good. Thank you guys so much for watching the first day of puasa, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. It's not like my vlogs before this, like 2019, 2020, 21, you know, so don't expect too much. And selamat berpuasa and salam Ramadan to all my Muslim subscribers, my Muslim followers. I wish you guys have the best Ramadan, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much.